fine. So in this video we will discuss about vector quantity. Okay. So first of all, what is vector quantity? Okay. So vector quantity, the quantities, the physical quantities which have magnitude as well as specified direction and obey laws of vector addition. Specified direction. Okay. So the physical quantities which have magnitude as well as a specified direction and obey law of vector addition are called vector quantities. Okay. So the quantities which have magnitude as well as a specified direction and obey law of vector addition called physical quantity. Okay. So in vector we have magnitude, second one is specified direction, and third one we have laws of vector addition. Okay. Vector have magnitude, a specified direction, laws of vector addition. Okay. In vector, the physical quantity which have magnitude as well as a specified direction, it means the vector, the physical quantity which have magnitude, it means length. Okay. And as well as a specified direction, it means the fixed length, and obey laws of vector addition are called vector quantities. Okay. So here the magnitude, it means length. Okay. And next one is specified direction and laws of vector addition. And now we will discuss about geometrical representation of a vector quantities. the geometrical representation of a vector quantity, first of all we have to draw a straight line, and this one is our this point is called tail and also called starting point. A starting point because from this point we start our line, okay, and this is our head, okay, or we can also say terminal point, and also we can say final point. And here we can also say initial point. Okay, and now the line is not saying that where it is going, is it going in downward direction or is upward. If we give the arrow, we know that the arrow is going in upward direction, okay. So arrow is must to show the vector, because in vector we have to the specified direction. So here with the help of arrow we can see that the arrow is going in upward direction, okay. I hope you understand this geometrical representation of a vector quantity, okay. Next we read about the how can we denote our vector quantities, okay. Here the direction shows that the line is going tail to head in upward direction, okay. And now we will discuss about how we denote any vector quantity. So first of all, we will discuss about algebraic representation any vector quantity is directed as tail to head, okay. We can also write here initial point to final point, okay. We understand this geometrical representation of a vector quantity, and now we will discuss about algebraic representation of a vector quantity. So first point is any vector can be denoted as arrow over a letter, okay. It means any vector can be denoted as arrow over a letter. For example, you can write like this, okay. Arrow over a letter, and we can also write B vector, C, and so on, and AB, BC, CD, and so on. But we cannot write like this, like A, B, C, like this, okay. We cannot write like this because we cannot represent this in a vector. And now this is the example of arrow over a letter to denote any vector quantity, okay. And now our next point is And now our second point is any vector quantity can be denoted as bar over a letter. In this, any vector quantity can be denoted as bar over a letter. So, for example, here A and this line is called bar. Okay, so any vector can be denoted as bar over a letter. If we give a bar over a letter, this is called a vector quantity. Okay, like this, B bar, C, and so on, AB, BC, CD, okay, and so on. I hope you understand that how can we denote a vector. We denote a vector with the help of bar. Okay, first of all we have to write any letter and put the bar. Okay, and now our third point is any vector can be denoted as any vector quantity can be denoted as bold face letter. Okay, and now what is bold face letter? I hope you know what is bold letter. The letter that is bold like this, A, B, and here like C. This denote what? This is denoted. This denote a vector quantity. Okay. If somewhere is written like in bold letter, it means it is denoting vector, and so on. And we can also write B, C, D, E, and so on. Okay. So with the help of bold face letter, we can also denote a vector quantity. Okay. And with the help of bar over a letter, we can also denote a vector quantity. And also with the help of an arrow, we can denote a vector quantity. I hope you understand all the representation, all the algebraic representation of a vector quantity. That if we give arrow over a letter, it also denote a vector quantity. Here one thing. Okay, any vector quantity can be denoted as arrow over a letter. And now here, any vector quantity can be denoted as bar over a letter, and also a bold, with the help of bold face letter, we can denote vector quantity. Okay, there are three methods to denote any vector quantity. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you like this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.